Howdy y'all, this is Graham with Uptown 101. Hey, we're looking at the pool lounge at the 1400 Hiline. It's the pool lounge at the 1400 Hiline. This is in Dallas, Texas. By the way, I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, let's look at the pool lounge and I think you're gonna like it. Really attractive lounge, really pretty flooring, attractive lounge. You got a pool table in the pool lounge. And you can see it's surrounded by the pool. You've got a patio kind of area that's over there. And then you've got a lot going on over here. It's really cool. You see the curvy, kind of curviness here too. That's cool. So what this is, it's not just a pool lounge, but it's a co-working area. So you can work during the day. I do see plugs. So you can plug in here, work during the day and have these kind of views. How phenomenal is that? It's really pretty. You can use these booth areas too, and have this. You can use also these. You can use this conference table here. It looks like somebody's using it. Really pretty conference table area. And then again, there's just more areas to see here too, and just work during the day. This is a fun place, and it's about 10:30 or so. So you can see there's not really many people. It'd be a perfect place to get some work done during the day, and still, have some great views and be around people. So anyway, that's a little bit about this pool lounge. And if you have any questions or you're ready to take a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. We can set up a virtual tour or a live tour of this beautiful apartment any time of day or night.